you can see behind us here, we have a port here, and out there we have a sea. Well, not really a sea, it is Lake Erie. Insanely busy. Look at all the people. Everyone's coming out to the beach today. Woo! So this is a nice area, and like I said, this is our first time ever seeing Lake Erie, and it's just right there. So another one of the Great Lakes. What's better than when you're on the coast, sitting down and having some fish and chips right on the beach? Traditional style. Let's go. Okay, let's have some fish and chips. Let's do this. Go touch the sea. Trying Lake Erie for the first time. We are in the water now. It's actually warm, much warmer than Ontario or Huron. Lake Erie behind us. We came on out to Long Point over here, where you have this beautiful long beach here, a lot less busy than it was in Port Dover, but what a beautiful time we've had out here. It's been amazing. Never seen Lake Erie before, and it was super warm to actually swim in. It was amazing to swim in. What an awesome beach, what an awesome place, and what a day trip. Woo! Is that an ice cream?
It's a chocolate brownie ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream. Ice cream.